In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create product variations in your Wix store. Whether you're selling items that come in different sizes, colors, or quantities, setting up product variations is an essential step to help your customers find exactly what they're looking for. The process is straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be fully equipped to customize your products, manage inventory, and set appropriate pricing for each variation. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Wix Dashboard. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your website and store. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Next, locate the Setup area within the Dashboard menu. This section is where you'll find all the tools and options you need to organize your online store. Now, hover over the Catalog tab. This is where Wix keeps all of your store-related information and tools. Once the catalog options appear, click on Store Products. This will bring you to the page where all of your current products are listed and managed. If you're just starting, it might be empty, but don't worry, we're about to change that. To add a new product, click on the New Product button. This will open up a menu where you can choose what type of product you want to create. Since we're adding a physical product, go ahead and select that option. Now you're ready to start building your product listing. The first thing you'll want to do is enter a name for your product. Choose something clear and descriptive that will help your customers understand exactly what you're offering. After naming the product, upload a clear, professional image of it. High-quality visuals are crucial for online shopping as they give your customers a better idea of what to expect. Take the time to ensure the image is well lit and accurately represents the product. Once you've added the basic information, it's time to create your product variations. Start by clicking on Add Options. This is where you can define the specific variations of your product. For example, let's say you're selling an item that comes in different quantities. You can name the first variation quantity. After naming it, enter the quantity options you'd like to offer, such as packs of 5, 10, or 20. Be sure to clearly list all the variations you want to make available to your customers. When you're done entering the options, click Add to save the variation. At this point, all the variations will be listed under your product, but you'll need to take one more step to ensure everything is set up correctly. Click on Manage Pricing and Inventory for each product variant. This allows you to customize the price and stock levels for each variation. To keep track of your inventory and avoid overselling, enable the Track Inventory option. This feature automatically monitors your stock levels, giving you one less thing to worry about. After that, edit each variant to make sure the pricing and inventory details are accurate. For instance, if a larger quantity costs more, you can set the price accordingly. Double-check everything to ensure it's consistent with your product offerings. Finally, once you've reviewed all the details, click Apply to save your settings. Congratulations, you've successfully set up product variations for your Wix store. Your customers will now be able to see and choose from all the options you've provided, making their shopping experience smooth and intuitive. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.